I gotta go check out a piece of gear here. A whole lineup. The only one I'm really after for this is the haze. Just showed up, was probably on fire duty, along with that brand new A25G. Haze HD, I'm guessing. It's not an HTX. How's her nameplate? No, Pacifics are on this side. Oh, that closes nice, man. Just quality. Well, the last inspection sticker on it's from 1991. Not that it was a road legal truck, but where are you gonna get better looking lines on a truck than that? Just square and tough. They weren't afraid to make them out of metal. 50, 60, 45, 50 years later, no cracks in the frame. Man, that's so cool. Just metal. These things have full door hinges too, I believe. Yep, like piano hinge, full thing up there. So that door will never sag. The metal work. The 4-inch grody light is your interior lamp. Just made for work, nothing else. It's just a byproduct that they happen to look really good too. Probably has an 18-speed in it. Not too hard to convert those old ones. Frame's 4 feet in the air. Double framed. If I was a truck, I'd be a Haze or a Pacific.